What's good, guys? I know this is gonna sound real dumb, but I don't know if you guys have ever tried to ship a skateboard before. If you have, you know it's kind of tough trying to find a box to fit it. I mean, you can make your own box, or you can just follow these simple steps right here, the way that I've been doing it for a while. So I got some boards, new holographics. If you haven't seen them yet on Instagram, go check out the video. Also link it to the website. With a special code, DM us, give you a discount on these. Anyways, here's a couple orders that came in earlier. So let's get right to it. Alright, now the fun part. So, take your roll. Always get it a little bit bigger than 9 inches wide, or else you're gonna have to kind of just cut around and anyways, it'll make sense later. Roll yourself out like this. All of our boards come with grip. You set that right in the middle, grip side up. Your board, like that. You can either cut the sections and lay them on and then tape them at the end, or you can just, if you got it like that, just take the bubble wrap and stretch it through like this. You only need about, you can get away with one wrap, or you can do a wrap and a half just to be safe, but I do a wrap and a half for this one. There it is. Make sure it's real good right there. Flip it over. Scissors. I want to just cut off this excess right here, and then pretty much just tighten it all up, and then you can start taping it real easy. I mean, everyone has their own taping style. I don't know, I kind of throw it on there pretty heavy just because they will, when I used to take these to the physical post office, they want to have every little piece that could be open for air to be closed off. So I found this usually works the best. Kind of capping it off like this on both sides. Just run it. Last little bit of tape right here. There you have it. Now I just gotta put the label on it. Set up the pickup date, put a label on it. We can ship this out. A couple easy steps. Obviously everyone has their own style, but we'll get this label on it and call it good. After you go on Click and Ship on USPS, you'll type in the info for whoever you're sending it to, obviously, address, all the stuff they ask for. You'll get one of these printouts with your label. Take your scissors, cut the paper on the dotted line, like this, wherever. And when you have that, put it right on the middle, grab your tape, tape the edges. Just don't put tape directly on the barcode. That's a no-no. Other than that, that's about it. Then you just leave it outside and they pick it up. As long as you put the shipping date for the, obviously it's night right now, but if you put it for the day that you're gonna leave it out, you just leave it out at your mailbox or whatever, and they'll come by, grab it, and there you have it. It's that easy.